Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Sellsy Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. From here, click Install and allow an install. Refresh your page, and when the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of very important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Up next is the tutorials tab, which has smart cues and videos that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up the application. First of all, click on Start Setup. Next, head to your Sellsy account online. In your account, click on your profile and click on the settings icon. In your settings, click on Portail Développeur, which means Developers Portal. From there, click on API v2. Then, click on Create API. Check Privé, which means private. Give a name to the API token you are creating and head back to your account to copy the redirect URL. Once the redirect URL is copied, paste it in the field that requires it. Once that's done, click on Save. Copy the client ID, head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, copy the client secret and also paste it where required. Then you click Complete Setup. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made in the application. When you toggle this on, fill in your email address and click on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.